A rare visitor from another star system. Every once in a while, our solar system gets a visitor from far, far away, an object that didn't form here at all. 3I, Atlas is one of those rare travelers. It's officially the third interstellar object ever confirmed by astronomers. 1. Oumuamua, 2017, the first discovery. A mysterious, cigar or pancake-shaped rock that puzzled scientists because it accelerated strangely without a visible tail. This sparked theories about whether it might be alien technology. 2. Borisov, 2019, the second. Much more comet-like and less mysterious, but still clearly an interstellar object. 3. 3I, ATLAS, 2024, the newest arrival. Discovered by the Atlas Sky Survey in Hawaii, it immediately stood out for its unusual chemistry and hyper-fast path through our system. So, in the entire history of astronomy, humanity has only spotted 3 such visitors. That's what makes 3I, Atlas so precious to study. An ancient time capsule. Most comets in our solar system are leftovers from the early days of planet formation, about 4.5 billion years ago. But 3I, Atlas is thought to be even older. Its orbit and composition suggest it comes from the thick disk of the Milky Way, a region dominated by very ancient stars. That means it could be anywhere from 3 to 14 billion years old, possibly older than Earth, the Sun, and even our entire solar system. In a way, 3I, Atlas is a fossil from another world, carrying chemistry and material from a long-dead star system. It's like holding a snowball that was frozen before our sun was even born. A cosmic speed demon. One of the ways we know 3I, Atlas is not from here is its incredible speed. It's moving at approximately 210,000 kilometers per hour, 130,000 miles per hour. That's much faster than most comets or asteroids bound to the sun. Its orbit is hyperbolic, meaning it's not closed. It's passing through and will never return. To put that speed into perspective, if you could ride on 3I, Atlas, you'd get from Earth to the Moon in just under 2 hours. A chemical puzzle. Here's where things get really interesting. Normal comets in our solar system usually have a lot of water, ice, some carbon dioxide, CO, dust and organics, but 3I, Atlas flips the recipe upside down. Observations from the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, show that its carbon dioxide to HO ratio is about 8 to 1. This is one of the highest carbon dioxide levels ever seen in any comet. This raises big questions. Did it form in a much colder environment than ours? Is this typical of comets from other star systems? Could this explain why it looks and behaves differently than we expect? In short, 3I, Atlas is not just a traveler, it's a mystery wrapped in ice and gas. Eyes on the sky. How we're studying it. Because it's such a rare opportunity, astronomers are pulling out all the stops to study 3I, Atlas. Tools being used include James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, taking infrared spectra to decode its chemistry. Hubble Space Telescope, capturing high-resolution images of its coma, the glowing cloud around it. Very Large Telescope, VLT, in Chile, measuring trace elements like nickel and cyanide. Ground surveys like Atlas, tracking its brightness and movement. We're essentially throwing every major telescope at it while we have the chance. 3I, Atlas will reach its closest point to the Sun, perihelion, on October 29 to 30, 2025, after which it will head back out into interstellar space forever. Why do some call it an alien attack? This is where science and speculation collide. Some researchers, most notably Harvard astronomer Avi Loeb, argue that we shouldn't rule out the possibility that 3I, Atlas is not a natural object but an alien probe. The reasons for this speculation: its precise trajectory through the solar system looks unusual. At first, it didn't display a normal, cometary tail, sparking suspicion. Its chemistry is unlike anything we've seen before. Previous interstellar visitor Oumuamua was also mysterious, and some argued it could have been artificial. The media, of course, loves dramatic headlines, so words like alien attack or possibly hostile probe show up in articles. The scientific consensus: most astronomers, however, strongly disagree with the alien theory. Here's why. 3I Atlas does, in fact, show clear cometary activity. It has a coma and gas emissions. The strange chemistry doesn't mean artificial, it means it formed under different conditions. There's no hard evidence of technology, signals, or maneuvering. NASA and other space agencies classify it simply as a natural interstellar comet. The alien idea is fun to talk about, but it's speculative at best. Final takeaway: 3I Atlas is a rare, ancient, interstellar comet. A time capsule from another star system, carrying chemistry billions of years old. A scientific puzzle, because its chemistry challenges what we know about comet formation. Not evidence of an alien attack, despite the flashy headlines. In truth, 3I Atlas is less War of the Worlds and more postcard from the galaxy. It's a reminder that we're part of a vast, ancient universe, where other worlds and their remnants sometimes brush against ours, giving us a glimpse of the unknown. Let's deep dive in conspiracy theories around 3I Atlas. Whenever a mysterious object appears in space, conspiracy theories aren't far behind. 3I Atlas is no exception. While scientists call it a comet, some groups online and in alternative media push different, and much wilder, explanations. 1. Alien attack probe. This is the loudest theory, fueled partly by astrophysicist Avi Loeb's suggestion that interstellar visitors could be alien technology. Conspiracy circles have taken it further. 3I Atlas is seen as a scouting probe, sent by extraterrestrials to monitor Earth. Some claim its high speed and unusual orbit are signs it was aimed deliberately at our solar system. A darker twist suggests it's a weapon platform, sent to weaken Earth with radiation, microbes, or energy bursts as it passes by. So far, no evidence supports this, but it's a popular theme on UFO forums. 2. Government cover-up, another classic. Believers argue, NASA and ESA know more than they're telling. The unusual chemistry, so much CO, might be evidence of alien manufacturing or fuel, but agencies downplay it. Observatories worldwide are tracking it with huge effort, which conspiracy theorists see as proof something big is coming. In this view, official agencies call it a comet only to avoid public panic. 3. Ancient connection, a more mystical theory ties 3I Atlas to ancient prophecies. Some link it to predictions in the Mayan calendar or Nostradamus writings about fiery messengers from the stars. Others say ancient Sumerian or Egyptian texts spoke of celestial visitors that would return after millennia. The unusual age of 3I Atlas makes it easy to connect with myths about star-born gods or alien seeding of life on Earth. 4. Doomsday messenger. There's also the idea that 3I Atlas isn't just a comet, it's a warning sign. Its approach in 2025 is linked by some conspiracy channels to natural disasters, solar storms, or even World War III. Some say it will alter Earth's magnetic field or bring hidden asteroids trailing behind it. Others frame it as part of a cosmic cycle of destruction. Every few thousand years, interstellar objects bring chaos. Again, all speculation. Astronomers track its path carefully, and it poses no threat of collision with Earth. Reality check. Conspiracy theories thrive because 3I Atlas is rare, fast, and strange, and science doesn't yet have all the answers about it. But here's the truth. Checkmark it's on a trajectory that takes it far from Earth. Checkmark its strange chemistry is weird, but explainable by natural processes in other star systems. Checkmark no signals, maneuvers, or tech have been detected. The alien probe or doomsday narratives make for dramatic headlines, but all current evidence supports 3I Atlas being a natural interstellar comet. The bottom line. For scientists, 3I Atlas is a gift from another star system, helping us learn how planets and comets form in places we'll never visit. For conspiracy theorists, it's everything from a spycraft to a harbinger of apocalypse. The truth? Probably far less dramatic, but still exciting. Instead of fearing it, we can see it as a reminder. The universe is full of wanderers, and sometimes they pass close enough to whisper secrets about worlds beyond our own.